Hello everyone, welcome to Bharti Vaishni's class. Today in this video we will learn about prepositions. After watching this video you will be able to understand what are prepositions, types of prepositions, uses of some prepositions. So let's get started. Now what are prepositions? Prepositions are the words that show the relation between nouns and pronouns in a sentence. They also show the position of a noun and pronoun in a sentence. In, on, at, with, from, to, above, beneath, beside, and by are some of the prepositions. Now, types of prepositions. There are mainly four kinds of prepositions: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction or movement, preposition of agent. Now preposition of place. Preposition of place talk about where something or someone is. Now look at the following pictures. The first picture indicates under and the second picture indicates on. Now read the following sentences. The ball is under the table. The ball is kept on the table. In these sentences, the words under and on are the preposition of place because they are showing us where the ball is kept. Above, below, across, beneath, inside, in, and off are some more prepositions. Now preposition of time. Preposition of time talk about when something happened. For example, my sister's birthday is in June. The virtual class is at 10 o'clock in the morning. The examination is on 24th December. In these sentences, the words in, at, and on are the preposition of time. Now uses of in. We use in to talk about months, years, seasons, and most periods of time. For example, in May, in 1956, in winter, in the evening, etc. We also use in to talk about being somewhere. For example, in the hotel, in the ocean, in Rajasthan, etc. Now, uses of at. We use at to talk about specific times and places. For example, at 8 o'clock, at dinner, at noon, at dusk, at her house, etc. Now, uses of on. We use on to talk about days of the week, special occasions such as festivals, and specific dates. For example, on Monday, on Holi, on 18th December, etc. We also use on to talk about technology and transportation. For example, on the television, on the smartphone, on the airplane, etc. Now, preposition of movement or direction. Preposition of movement or direction talk about the movement or direction of nouns or pronouns in a sentence. For example, he is going to school. She jogged through the park. In these sentences, the words to and through are the preposition of movement or direction. Now, into, out of, away, towards, up, down, and from are some more common preposition of movement. Now, prepositions of agent. Prepositions of agent talk about a thing that causes something in a sentence. There are two prepositions of agent, by and with. For example, the glass is filled with milk. The story is written by Rabindranath Tagore. In these sentences, the words with and by are the prepositions of agent. Now, let us see the uses of between and among. Now see the following pictures. So the first picture indicates among. And read these sentences. The orange ball is among blue balls. And among is used for more than two nouns and pronouns. That's why we have used here among. Now see the second picture. This second picture indicates between. Read the sentence. The green star is between the red stars, and between is used for only two nouns and pronouns. That's why we have used here between. Now let's see the uses of through and across. We use through to talk about entering in the middle of something and crossing to the other side. For example, the train went through the tunnel. And we use across to talk about going through the middle of something but not necessarily inside it. For example, he walked across the bridge. Now, uses of since and for. We use since to talk about a fixed time in the past. For example, I have been waiting since 10 o'clock. And we use for to talk about a period of duration or time. For example, I have been waiting for 2 weeks. Now, uses of beside and besides. We use beside to talk about next to something. For example, he is sitting beside the pillar. And we use besides to mean moreover. For example, I cannot sit for long. Besides, I do not like fishing. So, I hope you have understood the concept of prepositions. And if you understood the concept, please like my video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.